but the battles take their toll on him. He is almost spent, but he has ensured that no other bears have mated with his female. It's time for the couple to go their separate ways. She will give birth to his cubs alone in 9 months' time, and he may never see her again. He returns to the frozen ocean, no doubt relieved to resume his solitary ways. And just in time, the ice beneath his feet will soon be gone. Each spring, the Arctic Ocean undergoes an extraordinary transformation. An area of sea ice the size of Europe melts, exposing the rich waters beneath. Short-tailed shearwaters have travelled 10,000 miles from Australia to be here. $18 million visitors darken the skies, the largest gathering of seabirds on the planet. Humpback whales have come all the way from the equator to feed in these rich polar waters. Their giant tails are 5 meters across. Simply raising them above the surface gives the whales enough downwards momentum to reach the great swarms of krill and herring below. Shearwaters follow the giant's lead. For those who can get here in summer, these waters provide a feast of epic proportions. But the good times will be very short, a problem that faces all life in the polar regions.